Hi everyone, welcome back to Jodoo Masterclass. In today's video, we're going to explore how to use formulas in Jodoo, just like you would in Excel. Formulas are powerful expressions that help you calculate or manipulate data directly within your forms. For example, you can use formulas to calculate salaries or weekly working hours, saving you from manual calculations and reducing errors. Currently, there are 4 types of fields that support formulas in Jodoo: single line, multi-line, number, date, and time. To set up a formula, go into the design page, select the field you want to edit, and in the field properties, initial value section, set the default value to formula. Then, click the edit button to start editing your formula. Then, what makes up a formula? A formula includes functions, fields, and operators. Fields. These are the data sources for your calculations. You can select the required field from the lower right corner of the panel. Functions. You can type the function name directly or select it from the function list. For example, the date function. Operators. These are symbols like plus, dash, asterisk, and slash, which you enter manually in the formula editor. Let's look at the operators you can use. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Be careful. To check for equality, use equals equals, not equals. For not equal, use equals. Let's set up a formula together as an example. Suppose in your order form, you want to calculate the total price of an order. The formula is simple. Total price equals unit price times quantity. Here's how you do it. First, select the total price field. Second, choose formula. Then click Edit to enter the formula editor. In the field selection area, choose unit price, then enter the multiplication symbol asterisk and select quantity. One thing to note: as you enter your formula, the system will automatically check for errors and give you instant feedback. For example, if you only enter unit price and the multiplication symbol and forget to add quantity, the system will alert you that something's missing. Once you complete the formula, the warning disappears. And that's it for today's video. In our next video, we'll dive into the different functions you can use in formulas and how to make the most of them. If you're interested, make sure to subscribe and follow our channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.